In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share design to view only in Canva. If you want to share your work so others can see it exactly as you made it, without giving them the ability to change or move anything, a view-only link is the safest option. Here's how to set it up clearly and confidently. Start by opening the specific project you want to share. Make sure you're looking at the correct design file, since the sharing settings apply to the file you currently have open. Once you're in the project, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is the hub for everything related to permissions and link sharing. In the sharing panel, look for the access level. You'll see an option that controls who can open your link. Change this to anyone with the link. This setting ensures that anyone you share the URL with can open the design, even if they don't have access to your workspace. If you see wording like restricted, switch it to the option that clearly says anyone with the link can access. Next, right next to that access level, you'll find the access control. Click it and choose Can View. This is the key step. Can View means people can open and look through your design, but they won't be able to edit, rearrange, or delete anything. You might also see other choices like Can Edit or Can Comment. Make sure you select Can View specifically, so there's no risk of accidental changes. If it already shows Can View, you're good to go. Once those two settings are in place, anyone with the link and Can View, you're ready to share. Click Copy Link. This copies the exact view-only link to your clipboard. You can paste it into an email, a message, or wherever you need to share it. The recipient will be able to open the design and scroll through every page, but they'll be prevented from making edits. That way, what they see is exactly what you intended. A quick recap to lock it in. Open your project, click Share in the top right, set the access to anyone with the link, set the permission to Can View, then copy the link and share it. That's all you need to create a secure, view-only design link in Canva. This simple setup protects your work while making it easy for others to review it.